Today we're going to remove the battery from a 2015 Chevy Camaro. It's not in the front, it's actually in the trunk. So first thing you would have to do is open up the trunk lid, and let's go ahead and take off this cover out. Alright, and once you have all that removed, you should have to remove this. Should be there, holds the tire down. After you do that, go ahead and remove the tire. Somebody was already in here messing with this. And this here should go right there. Loosen up this, or take that bolt out, loosen this one off. This should come off. Looks like it has a battery clamp here, but someone's been messing with this shit. So we'll start from the top first. These will be 10 mils. So let's go ahead and loosen up the positive and negative, and then take off the negative first. So let's go ahead and loosen up the negative and take that off first. Alright, and let's go ahead and take off the negative, then the positive. Then we would have our battery clamp, maybe like a 12 or 13. Oh shoot, look, it's right here. Maybe like a 13. And then we take the battery out. And it looks like it had this little vacuum line plugged in. It didn't here, but there it is. That is how you remove a battery from a 2015 Chevy Camaro. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.